Say goodbye to boring theme slide introduction. In this video, I'm gonna teach you about how to make this slide presentation in easy way, so you can improve your theme slide quality a lot. Welcome to Alam PowerPoint channel. In this video, we're gonna make it. Okay, so first of all, we need a background here. Go to Format Background and then insert a picture. Make sure it fits for your PowerPoint slides ratio. For my case, I get this picture from a user named Kadiaful. You can check this user for more gradient. Now, you need to insert text boxes to put the title or team name. Here, I already have the text in my clipboard, so I just paste it. By the way, I'll make a beauty clinic presentation as the example here. For some knickknacks, I'll go to Insert, Shapes, and click on Circle. Get rid of the outline and change the color to white. I'll add the address, so insert text box again and put it at the corner. You're gonna need animation, so click on the big text here, go to animation, click on wipe. Here I'm changing the direction from left to right. For smaller text, I add float-in animation. I'm gonna do something about timing, so hold Shift key while clicking the animation in the pane. Then right click and start with previous. Here I drag the green color to shorten the duration as well. Right click, duplicate slide 1. Delete all of the animation in your slide. Drag the text on the middle to the left side. Make it a little bit bigger. I replace smaller text to theme. For the address on the corner, you drag it to the outside of the slide. Go to Insert, Shapes, and click on rounded rectangle. Draw it on the center. I make sure it's big enough to put a profile picture here. Duplicate the rectangle twice and distribute it horizontally. Now we block every shape and get rid of the outline because we don't need it. So this is where you're gonna put the pictures. Lengthen a shape in the middle. Go to Insert, Pictures, and choose one from your device. Drag the first picture and send it backward 3 times. Block the picture and shapes all at the same time. In shape format, click on intersect. It's almost done. Go to picture format, click on crop. Now I'm adjusting the picture position. For next shape, do the same thing. Send to backward twice. While blocking the picture and the shape, click on intersect option again. Go to picture format, click on crop. I'm adjusting the picture position again. For the third picture, of course, I also do the same thing that I've done to the first and the second one. If your pic's too colorful for these slides, you may want to click and go to picture format, click on color and change the saturation to 66%. You need some text, so insert some text boxes again. I paste it to below the picture. Now for decorative object, click on Insert, Shapes, and draw a straight line horizontally on the left corner of the slide. Change the outline color to white and add some weight. Here I put beauty clinic slogan I get from Google. Beauty Unleashed, Confident Renewed. I don't know why I chose this one slogan, guys, but yeah, it just makes sense for me. Important part. Go to Transition and click on Morph Transition. I changed the duration here to 0.75 seconds. Slide 2 is done. Now we duplicate the slide again. In slide 3, I shorten the duration to 0.50 seconds. I zoom out a little bit. Now I'll drag the object on left corner to outside the slide. For another object, you need to zoom out more. Now I'll block the second and third picture with the text below it. Then I drag it to the top outside the slide. For first picture, just put it on the center. Now zoom in again. Click on picture, go to picture format and crop option. I adjust the position in this picture so her face looks bigger. Go to Insert, Shapes, and draw a line beside the picture. Change the color to white. Duplicate the line and while holding Shift key, drag another line position to another side of the picture. Now I'll add the text. So insert text box again. I paste it from clipboard. You'll need animation, so zoom out, click on the text, click on Wipe in Animation tab, change the direction into left to right. I'll add animation to the second woman, so select all of the object with her, add animation, click on Lines Motion Path. Drag the direction of motion to center. While holding Shift key, select all of the animation in Paint, make it start with Previous. Here I also shorten the timing. Alright, slide 3 is clear. Duplicate the slide and delete unnecessary object. If you look at second picture motion, you can imagine that the picture in previous slide will start from this position. So just drag it to center because you don't need the animation anymore. Select and drag down first picture with the text to outside the slide. Replace it with the second picture. For third picture, move it to the center at the top of the slide. Zoom in, click on picture format, and then click on crop. Just like before, you want to make sure if the woman face appear bigger. Now go to insert, text box, and paste it. Add wipe animation for the text. Make it start with previous. Slide 4 is done. Duplicate slide again, delete unnecessary object, hold Shift key and drag the picture at below the slide to right. Drag the second picture on the center and replace the position with third picture. Now just like before, click on picture, go to picture format, crop, and then adjust the photo position. Insert text box, add your text. Add wipe animation to the text and change the effect position into left to right. Make it start with previous. It's ready to use for now, but let me add more slides so you can add your next content. Duplicate slide 1, drag it down to last slide. Delete everything so we only have the background. Go to insert, shapes, click on rounded rectangle. Put it on top center of the slide, get rid of the outline and change the color to white. And now you can add your text box. Go to transition, click on push transition. Alright, so this is how you make a good theme introduction slides. Next slide, you can copy the last slide so you can continue this PowerPoint for your presentation. We always have another content to improve your PowerPoint game. Make sure to subscribe if you want more. Thanks for watching.